what's happening? I'm going to open the 1992 package of Topps baseball cards. I got two of these. At one point, they were $1.69. I got these for like $1 at some card shop at Sacramento. So let's see what kind of buried treasures I find. Let me get some scissors. Staying at a hotel tonight. God. All right. Some of these cards are not organized. Kind of reminds me of Upper Deck. The first one, Nick Williams. Nelson Ed. Don't know anything about this guy. Tom Harden. Kenny Rogers. I kind of knew about him. He's mostly what? No, maybe I'm not. Who knows? Got Giants. Ted Wood. Kind of remember him. Rookie year. Jeff. All right. Chris Smith. Bob Murphy. John Bell. Never heard of him. John Smiley. Kind of remember him. Billy Hatchard. Mostly know him with the Astros. John One Bill. Oh, the cat. I think the Hall of Famer. Leave him right there. Tyre Wade. Jeff. Dave Harrison. Always had a beautiful smile. One last player to have 42. Mostly known with the Red Sox. He did play 1 year for the Giants. I think it was a World Series. Ace. Ooh, got a record breaker. This guy set a record of the most consecutive loss. Man, it sucked that year. So Oliver, can't remember him. 30 year. Howard Johnson went from third base to, I think, to outfield. His stats got better. Who did that? Sin Ford. Sugar Walker. This guy was a practical joker. There's some views of him during the MTV softball. This guy was hilarious. Darren. Draft pick. Brian Taylor. Don't remember much about him. And Mike Greenwell, remember him, the Red Sox mostly. Had a decent career. And a bunch of Blvds. Doesn't mean I win or not. Too late now for me. And the next package. Some of these cards are not that organized. Ooh, Jack Bagwell, rookie card. Woo, doggy. Hall of Famer. Barry Bonds, All-Star. Should be a Hall of Famer. Never remember him, mostly with the Mets. Don't remember this guy. Oh, Bagwell, All-Star. His son with the played with the Blue Jays. Got top. No, I don't see anybody with top anywhere. Backside of it. Don't know anything about these guys' records. Once again, repeats. Oh my God, these are repeats from the last package. Here's a little time wing loser guy. At least you can talk about years from now. Oh my God, mostly with the Mets. This guy was a good pitcher during his time. Mostly known in the Mets. Jose Uribe. I'm sure he got his birthday right this time. A lot of times he'll say he was born in 1960. Jeff Byrne. Mostly leaf pitcher. Tim. Nice picture of this young man. Roger. Stan. Angels, or whatever they're going to call now. Shelly Davis, coolest name ever for a ball player. Jay Howell, I used to go by Jay Howell. John Beer, but goes with Giants 1 or 2 seasons. Struck out a lot during his time. Seeing Reggie Jackson has the most strikeouts leader all the time. This guy was a bomb. This women used to flash during games. You know. See ya. Skidder. Barnes. Never heard of this guy. Alright, that's it for a bunch of other packs. Please like my videos, like and subscribe. Maybe do better next time. There's a couple of good, decent cards in these packets. Alright, thank you. Bye.